seem capable of picking up the slack.
Iraqi security forces are actually in very, very good shape. There's over 600,000 of them. The insurgents don't number any more than about 10,000, so they should be able to handle them.
All U.S. troops are supposed to be gone by the end of 2011. Well, governors who may just say no to new federal money for unemployment benefits are getting an earful from out-of-work constituents. Live to CBS News correspondent Steve Cahill.
Louisiana's Bobby Jindal's been one of those Republican governors balking at some of the stimulus money for increased jobless benefits.
This spending is temporary. It's creating debt my children, my grandchildren are going to have to pay.
At least one of
The undercover sting operation, Mr. Goodwin indicated to the undercover agent the group had been involved in 300 deaths.
Bankhead says Goodwin himself attended 39 assisted suicides. So far, Bankhead says investigators in 7 states are now involved in the search for more clues and perhaps more victims.